By now you understand that some pieces are more powerful than others, but how much so? A pawn is worth 1 point. Knights and bishops' value is about 3 points. A rook is worth 5 points. And a queen is 9 points. So when you have a choice in capturing, go for the most valuable one. The white knight now has a choice. It can capture the pawn on b5, the knight on c6, or the pawn on e6. What's the best move? The pawn on e6 is defended, so the white knight would be captured on the next move. White would gain 1 point from capturing the pawn and lose 3 points from losing the knight. Net result would be -2 points. The knight on c6 is also defended. White would gain 3 points from its capture and lose 3 points as its own knight would be captured next. End result: 0. Sometimes this kind of exchange can bring strategical benefits, opening a path for other pieces to advance or weakening an enemy position. The pawn on b5 is undefended, and capturing it also threatens the black bishop on d6. It is therefore the best capture.